Hello students, as you all know, I am Sonali Tiadi and I welcome you all again to our online classes. I trust you all are fit and fine. In our previous lecture, we had studied exercise 1.3 and in this lecture, we will study our exercise 1.4. So students, let's commence with our exercise 1.4. So students, here we got the answer of OR square, but we have to find the answer of OR. So we will put square root on both the side. By putting square root on both the side, we will get the answer of OR. So our answer of OR will be on the left hand side. When we put the square root, square and root will get cancelled, and in the right hand side it will remain like that only. So our answer will be OR equals to root 3, and we have to plot this root 3, or we have to mark this root 3 in the number line. Now we will see the steps to plot this root 3 in the number line. I hope students you all are clear with the solution to find root 3. Now we will see our steps to draw the root 3 in the number line. Okay, so students, let's begin with it. Students, our first step is to draw a line of any centimeter and plot O in the center. Name that center as O. Okay, and our second step is to place our scale on the O point, and from that O point we have to mark 2 centimeter, and after that 2 centimeter we have to plot our number as 1. We have to keep the gap between O or between 0 and 1 of 2 centimeter. Okay. Our third step, we can do it by two types. First, it by set square, and second by protractor, or in your language by D. Okay. First we will see how we will do this third step with set square. We have to plot our set square. We have to keep our set square in the point 1, and from there we have to mark 90 degree, a straight line as shown in this diagram. We have to mark the 90 degree and we have to draw the line. Okay, in this we have marked 90 degree, and now we will draw line. Okay, this is by set square. Now we will see by protractor. Okay, this is by protractor. Same, we have to put our protractor or keep our protractor line on the base line which we had drawn, and the middle line of the protractor should be on the point 1, and from there we have to mark 90 degree. After marking 90 degree, we will draw a line like this. Okay, now we will begin with our fifth step. Our fifth step is to place our rounder in the point 1 and draw an arc of 2 cm. So, first we will do what? We will take our rounder and mark 2 cm or measure 2 cm with the help of our scale, and we will put our rounder in the point 1 and draw arc as shown in this diagram. Okay, and from the arc which we had drawn, from that we have to draw a line till point 0. Okay, and we have to name that as O and R. The arc side we will name as R, and the O point or the 0 point we will mark as O. Okay, and now in our seventh step, we will keep our rounder in point C, and we will stretch our rounder till point A. After stretching it, we will make an arc by keeping on the same point C. We will draw a arc, and we will name that arc as root 2. Okay, students, we have marked root 2 in the number line. Now by following the same process, we will mark root 3 on the number line. Okay, so in this, our eighth step is we will place our set square on the point root 2 and we will mark 90 degree. Okay, after marking 90 degree, we will draw that line from the mark point till the point of root 2. And in our 10th step, we have to draw an arc on the line, on the 90 degree line which we have drawn now. Okay, to draw a arc, we will first take our scale and measure 2 centimeter, and then we will keep our pointer on the point root 2, and from that point root 2 we will draw a arc. After drawing a arc, we will draw a line from that arc to point C as we have drawn before. Okay, so students, now our last step is to draw a intersected arc as we have drawn earlier. So to draw that, we will keep our rounder or pointer in point C, and from that point C we will stretch it up to the new arc which we had made. Okay, after stretching up to that, we will draw a arc and we will name that arc as root 3. So students, I hope you all are clear with these steps or the procedure which we had followed to solve this problem. And these steps are similar to do the next two sums which I had given you as a homework. By following the same step, you have to draw root 5 and root 7. I hope you will be able to do these sums. Students, if you have any query regarding this practice set or any previous practice set, you can just see our previous lecture, and if you have any query or any doubt, you can just comment your query in the comment box. And for the upcoming video lectures, subscribe our channel. Thank you.